If you are wondering whether you can use a PlayStation 5 controller in EFC26 or not, the answer is yes. On the Steam store page for FC26, if you scroll down, you'll notice it shows full controller support, including the DualSense controller, but I recommend you to use the controller using USB cable. However, there is a common issue where PS5 and even Xbox controllers may not work properly with the Steam version of the game. To fix this, open your Steam library and select EFC26. Then on the right side, click on the controller icon. Here, you'll see an option for Steam input. You need to disable Steam input for this game. This means turning off all Steam input settings for every controller connected through Steam. Doing this usually fixes the problem completely. Additionally, if you have access to the EA app version, try launching the game through the EA app instead of Steam, especially after disabling Steam input. This method often provides smoother controller detection. And that's it. With these steps, your PS5 controller should work perfectly in FC26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.